Hey, in this video I thought I would do a review of ppccoach.com. It's ppc-coach.com. That's me. I'm Will. I'm PPC Coach. This is my site. I've been running this for a long time. It's been through a couple iterations, but I thought why not show you kind of behind the scenes on what people get and why would they possibly join this site. So it's all about, as you can see, getting live group coaching and on-demand training with a 7-figure print-on-demand expert to get you consistent sales daily. So what are we talking about here? Well, I'll show you behind the scenes in a minute, but if you're looking for kind of training on Etsy or Shopify or Shine On, Gear Bubble, Printful, Awkward Styles, whatever it may be, you can join here and it's $49.99 per month. You can cancel at any time. And basically what that gets you is 3 live training sessions per month. And what I do is I basically tie them to a seasonal event or an evergreen event. So for example, just scrolling down, you can see stop if any of this sounds familiar. You know, you want to sell print-on-demand products online, you're not sure how. You've probably tried a lot of different things, nothing's really working. Maybe you bought a course that's just outdated and not working anymore at all. There is more than just Shine On and Gear Bubble. There is a world of apparel from Printful and Awkward Styles and other companies that you can also use with Etsy or with Shopify or with even Launchcart, which can work very well. So that's kind of why I built this site. It's I'm sick of guys, basically what it says, posing in front of rented houses and rented cars trying to fool us all. I'm sick of hearing stories about good people just like you being stuck and let down in the pursuit of online success. And there are sleazy marketers out there. There's long drawn out how-to videos where they could have said it in like 2 minutes and they spent 40 minutes. I bought one course as an example and it cost me, I think, $2,000 for this course, and it was about what is it called? Audiobooks, publishing audiobooks. And I thought, these guys seem to know what they're talking about. This seems awesome. This seems really good. And then I got into it and every single video was minimum 1 hour long. And I'm like, there's probably like 30 videos in there. And I go, I can't sit through this. I don't have the attention span to do it. I don't want to do that. So I decided to make all my videos short and sweet and to the point, as well as my live training sessions. It's over my shoulder. You're watching me in the dashboards. There's no fluff. It's a fluff-free zone. So I think one of the problems too when people launch courses is it gets outdated real quick. Like for example, I launched a course recently and I was very proud of it. And then one of the platforms decided to remove the platform that I did some training on. So I'm like, great, now that part of that course is now outdated. I got to replace it with some new training. I don't really like doing that. So the other thing that really bugs me is when you see big screenshots, especially Shopify marketers or Shopify coaches, they'll show you the screenshot of their gross revenue number. They never ever show you what it cost them to get the sale or what the base cost was or what all the fees they paid were. And that drives me nuts. Like you could see a $1 million Shopify store and it could be making like $10,000 a year, but you'll never see that because they'll never show you that. So I don't like that. That's why you're here. This is a membership site all about print on demand using Etsy, Shopify, and I'm going to be adding some Launchcart stuff to this as well. It's a group coaching program. This will allow you to build a business, attract buyers, generate ideas, be in a community, get support, and scale. So what makes this different is, this is actually, I got to update this. I've got over 15 years experience online. Okay, I'm a 7-figure print on demand seller. I know what I'm doing and I know how to teach it. I actually practice what I preach. So this is over the shoulder. We don't allow negative people. There is unparalleled support. I go in every morning and I look for new posts and I answer the questions personally. So it's not where you get into a program and then you're passed off to another coach who's not even like the face of the program. I really don't like that either. I bought another high ticket program and the coach is why I bought it. And I actually never got access to him unless I would spend like $30,000 on some mastermind, then I might get access to him for a couple days. And I'm like, I didn't really like that at all. Anyway, so how will you learn from us? Well, we have a challenge system and you can think of that as a live course. Every single month, it's a live course, a new live course, and it's year round. So coming up, we got like back to school, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's. We've got Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, weddings, and it just continues to cycle through. And then we've got evergreen things that we teach as well, like birthdays and anniversaries and that kind of thing. Works very well, and that's what you get. So every month that you're in there, you're getting access to a live course that's taught by me, and it's like a challenge. It's like a mini boot camp is what you could call it. I should probably change the name because people think challenge. They think like 5-day challenge or something like that. That's not what it is at all. So what if one has already started? That's fine. The replays are posted in the site, which I'll show you in a second too. You have access to that at any time. I've been doing this a while. I got a lot of testimonials, but the key is this is not really for people who are looking for a get-rich-quick solution, because building your own store and filling it with print-on-demand products takes time and effort and energy. And I do teach how to do it with free traffic, but I also teach how to scale with paid ads. Now, I don't really use Facebook ads at all because I don't like them. I'm also restricted. My ad profile was restricted, and I think Facebook essentially shut me down on there. Not too happy about that at all. But from what I've heard from everybody who's still running Facebook ads, in today's day and age, they just don't work. The tracking is gone, the algorithm's broken, and you just don't get the results that you used to be able to. It's just not worth it. So anyway, moving on, I got more testimonials on here, and I got some frequently asked questions. What is a challenge? It's a live course. That's what it is. How will you be marketing free and paid traffic? If you have other questions, you can reach me there. But let's go into the actual behind the scenes. So I can click that, there we go. So this is where it all takes place on the forums. And you can see we've got an intro section. So people just come in here to like introduce themselves. Well, then click it. Come in here and you introduce yourself. And we've got a whole bunch of members that have already done that. And then there's the general discussion section, which is filled with, I don't know why that's not working. Click, there we go. Just general questions. You can put it anywhere, but if it's not related directly to the challenge or like the live course of the month, you can put it in there. We have a success section, journals, mindset, and then this is where everything takes place. So right now, as of the time of the shooting, we're actually on challenge number 36. That means this is the 3rd year that I've done this. Like this is the 36th month in a row that I've done this. So you could say I've shot a lot of these. Anyway, let's go in here. So this is what it looks like. You register once for all the live training sessions, and then the replays are posted right here that you can view anytime. And we can see that this one is about an hour and 11 minutes, and it's all about Etsy. So on that one, I'm setting up a store, explaining what we're going to be doing, walking you through how to do it correctly. And then I have another one coming up live Thursday, and then another Thursday. Basically, the first Thursday of every month is when the first live training session starts. And then there's a Thursday after that, and then we move to implementation week. And what I've also done on the forums is at the start of a new live course or challenge or whatever you want to call it, mini bootcamp, I'm giving away, I do a draw for $50. And basically the rules are you have to start an implementation week thread inside the forums, and you have to post in it, and you have to show me what you're doing. When you do that, then you're entered into the random draw for $50. And I do that live on the first week, the first Thursday of every month, basically. So if we go back here to the forums, you can see I've got a whole bunch of them. I got Shopify and print on demand, groom to bride gift, Father's Day gift, Mother's Day and TikTok ads, Mother's Day and my fan club method, 30 and 30 method, Valentine's Day challenge, the Godfather email method, Christmas challenge number 1, email list challenge, Etsy and birthdays, Etsy and personalized mugs, wedding gifts, Etsy and watches, Etsy and Shine On, which is a jewelry company that has some high-end jewelry that you can sell, Father's Day, Mother's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Happy Birthday Evergreen Profits, Valentine's, Christmas challenge number 3, 2, 1 from 2020, face masks, wedding challenge number 1 and 2, teacher gift challenge, Father's Day challenge, Mother's Day challenge, Mother's Day challenge. Usually I do 2 Mother's Day because it's a huge event. Funny coffee mug challenge, Valentine's Day again, and then Christmas 1 and Christmas 2. So you can click into any of these and you can see exactly what's going on. Like here's Christmas challenge number 2. Christmas is the best time of the year by far. And you can see here's all the training. So you get all that. And then the replays are in there as well. And then homework too. So there's a ton of stuff that you can do. And then people just ask questions and they get answers and they get support. That's what the coaching side of PPC Coach is all about. And then upcoming will be here, the scheduled one. So the next one will be a Christmas one, number 1, 2, and 3, because we're coming into September, October, November. I usually run them, and it'll be I'll pick a product and I'll pick a platform, and then I'll teach you how to make it profitable. That's the basic gist. So, I mean, why should you join? Well, there's a lot of high cost programs out there, like $2,000 or $1,000, and they can't hold a candle to my training, to be honest. They just can't. They don't have the experience, they don't have the success, they don't have the ability that I do. So I know that sounds cocky, but I mean, facts are facts. Anyway, why should you join? It's only $49.99 a month. You can cancel at any time. You get 3 live training sessions per month, 1 implementation week, and then the first Friday of every month, I do the draw for $50 for a random member who actually participates in the implementation week and does what we're teaching on here. So I think the whole thing is, if you're stuck, if you're not really making sales, maybe you're on Etsy and you're following the old let's put 5,000 listings on Etsy and pray that we get a sale method. That doesn't work. It just doesn't work. I've been through that. Maybe we got some auto posting programs that I just checked some stats on one of mine. I have like 18,500 products listed on Amazon right now. And I'll get a sale maybe once every 4 weeks on that. That's through an auto posting program that just didn't really work for me. On Etsy, I've got a couple stores, but I've got one that's got like 3,000 listings and it didn't work. So if you're trying to take that route of thinking it's a volume game and you just have to punch out as much crap as you can, and then something will eventually stick, that's not the way it works anymore. Competition is too fierce. If you're on Etsy selling, there's like 4.5 million other sellers out there, and they're chasing those 82 million customers on Etsy. But you have to make sure that your products are in demand. You have to make sure you're listing them right. There's a couple other secrets to getting sales that nobody really talks about, because I think all of those courses that I've seen anyway on Etsy, they're severely outdated and they just don't work anymore. And it's the same with Shopify courses. When you go into a course and you paid like a good chunk of change, maybe $1,000 for it, maybe $2,000, $2,500, and you look at it and you're like, all these screens look different, like all the dashboards are different. It's because it was probably shot like a year or two ago, and everything in there it doesn't really work anymore. So that's why I've shifted a lot of my stuff to the live training, because you're getting the most up-to-date dashboards, the most up-to-date possible methods, and stuff that works today instead of stuff that worked 2 years ago. All right. Anyway, I'm not knocking courses. They're good. I put out courses too. I really like the live training better. So I think getting access to a 7-figure print-on-demand seller for $49.99 a month is peanuts. And I will help you. My goal is to get you profitable. That's my number one goal. Okay, that's it. So if you're interested, go here, ppc-coach.com, and join the program. You click join now. You have to enter your name and email. So I'll show you here. Babu, I don't know. Let's put a fake one. If you go too fake, my system won't let you through. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And then you go here, and then you can join it. And it's basically, right now, I've got a $1 trial for 7 days, and then it converts to $49.99 a month. Fill this out. You'll get an email with your login instructions. And then you'll be able to come right in here, and you go here, and I believe it takes you right to this one first. And there are full instructions on here. What to do, where's the training, what's the current challenge, frequently asked questions, what else can you do, any questions, that sort of thing. And then your next step, number 2, is to go here and go, every forum section has a read me first. Go in here, read this. That's my kind of thing. And then you post your own intro, and then we dive in. So you're getting access to a group of like-minded people who speak your language, have the same goals as you, want to achieve the same things as you. And it's just a great way. If you're an Etsy seller, get in here. If you're a Shopify seller, get in here. Print on demand in any way, shape, or form, get in here. This is the site that you've been looking for. This is a program that you've been looking for, led by me. I can't wait to help you. If you're already a member, let me know in the comments. If you're not, let me know why not. Let me know what I can do to fix that. Let me know. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video.